Yes, today I'm going to go through the steps, Dorothy steps, or also known as Wizard of Oz steps. And I think that's because they were first seen in the movie Wizard of Oz, the old great movie. Some of you have seen it, some may not, but I recommend watching the movie. But enough about that. It's the part where they go to see the wizard, so they're going to see the wizard. So that skips along at the road there. Okay, so the steps. It's a combination of slow steps and quick steps. So we start with a slow step, and there's two quick, slow, quick. The normal thing is to do one sort to the right and then one to the left. That's the normal length. So it's forward, together, forward, together, forward. Or in other words, one time. So it's a step, lock, step, lock, step. And the timing is, with Dorothy steps, is 1, 2, and 3, 4, and then sort of continue. You could have just continued to do the Dorothy steps if you want to. I can just show a double length. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Then you continue to do whatever you want. Okay, show it from the side as well, the normal length, Dorothy. So it's a forward, a lock, forward, a lock, forward. So it's, and we'll be counting as well. 7, 8. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and